Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video lesson, we are going to learn how we can form rotating stick animation in C. To understand the basic, look at this image. To form rotating stick animation, we need these four characters: vertical bar, front slash, dash and backslash. And the ASCII value for these characters are: the ASCII value of vertical bar is 124, the ASCII value of front slash is 47, the ASCII value of dash is 45, and the ASCII value of backslash is 92. So, by using these four characters, we are going to form a rotating stick animation. How? We will put all these characters one by one at the same location, that is at fixed row and fixed column, by maintaining delay in between them. Don't understand? Let's do it practically. Double click on Turbo CID icon on the desktop to start Turbo CID. Select new from the file menu to create new program file. First of all, I am going to draw all these characters and their ASCII value in comment. So ASCII 124, vertical bar, slash ASCII 47, front slash, dash ASCII 45, and backslash ASCII value is 92. Saving the program, we have to say R stick. Okay, so let's begin. We are going to include necessary files for this program. At the top, hash include stdio.h, copying, hash include conio.h, and hash include dos.h. Okay, void main, opening brace, closing brace. We need two variables for this program: midx, mid y. clr printf \n, press enter to continue. Get ch. After clearing the output screen, our program will display this message on the screen. Press enter to continue, and after pressing enter you can continue the program. Okay, text mode CAT. This function is defined in ponyo.h. Let's take help for this code. CAT control F1. So these are standard video modes. I choose this CAT. The value is 3. Instead of writing CAT, I can write 3 in the parameter. So this is text mode, this is color text mode, and 80 columns mode. So in this mode we can 80 columns and 25 rows. Okay, now we are using two variables here, midx and midy. So I am setting the value of midx and midy. Midx equal to 40. Why 40? Because we have 80 columns in one row, so 80 divided by 2 equal to 40, half of 80. Okay, and midway equal to 12, half of 25 rows. Not exactly, but we can pass only integer value in goToXY. One more thing is that there is no such row number like 12.5. We can either write 12 or 13. Okay, now one more printf \n press any key to exit. Okay, now from here our actual loop begins while not kbhit. Okay, this loop continues till user do not press any key. From the keyboard. Okay, now delay 100, delay of 100 millisecond. Okay, go to xy, midx comma midy. Sorry, printf %c comma 124, the ASCII value of vertical bar. Okay, draw vertical bar at 12 row and 40 column. Okay, now I am going to repeat this code of snippet 3 more times. Copy, paste, paste and paste. Okay, our next character is 47. Draw front slash. Okay, the next character is 45. Draw dash at 12 row and 40 column, and the last character is 92. This character draw backslash character or backslash at row number 12 and column number 40. So this loop is finished now. Get ch and closing brace of main. We have already saved this program as rstick.c, saving again by pressing F2. Okay, compile it to make sure that there are no syntax errors in the program. So let's compile it. Alt F9. We have one error, extra closing brace. It's okay. Okay, now run the program to see the animation. Press enter to continue. You can see the rotating stick on the screen, but this blinking cursor on the screen distracting our animation. So how we can hide the blinking cursor? By adding the function set cursor type anywhere in the program, but before the loop. I am going to add this function after text mode function. So let's do it. Okay, underscore set cursor type in bracket underscore no cursor. Okay, saving the program. This statement hide the cursor. Okay, and this function is defined in the file conio.h. That's why we have include this file at the top. Okay, now let us see how our program look. Control F9, press enter. I think it's okay now. Pressing enter to exit from this animation. Now it's time to understand how our program works. So have a look at our while loop first. While not kbhit. This loop continues till the user does not press any key from the keyboard. We have already used this loop in the video lesson drawing animated colorful boxes in C. If you do not watch this video, please watch it to understand the concept more clear. Now consider the first section of code. Here the delay is a standard library function which produces the delay of specified value in milliseconds. The function goToXY is used to position the cursor at the specified position in the current text window. So the statement goToXY midx, mid-y places the cursor at 12th row and 4th column. The printf function prints the corresponding character having ASCII value 124 at 12th row and 40 column. So it draw vertical bar at 12th row and 80 column. We repeat this code in the loop and print the other characters at the same position at the interval of 100 milliseconds. This process continues till the user does not press any key from the keyboard. So it produces the animation like rotating stick. That's all for this video lesson. If you have any queries regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.